Hello children, welcome back to geography class. So we have completed 4th and 5th chapter. Now we are in 6th chapter, that is natural vegetation. Okay, natural vegetation in India. What are natural vegetation? Natural vegetations are gifts of nature. They grow naturally. Okay, the trees that grow naturally, we call it as a natural vegetation. They follow the climatic variables. Due to variety of climates, a wide range of natural vegetation grows in India. Types of natural vegetation vary according to climate, soil and altitude. So a study of the distribution of the forest in India reveals that there is a marked relation between the rainfall zones and their belts of natural vegetation. Okay. So the forests are unevenly distributed and that can be broadly classified into tropical rainforest or tropical evergreen forest. The second, tropical deciduous forest. Third, desert vegetation. And the fourth, mountain vegetation. And the fifth is mangrove forest. So these forests can be further classified based on the variation of rainfall and based on the variation of relief. Okay, so under the based on variation of rainfall, we'll be having the tropical evergreen forest or the tropical rainforest and the deciduous monsoon forest and desert and semi-desert vegetation, thorn and scrub forest. So these will come under the forest based on variation of rainfall. The next one is forest based on variation of relief features. So under that we'll have mountain forest or mixed forest. The second is the mangrove or tidal or littoral forest. Okay, so these will come under the variation of relief features. Now let's take first the tropical evergreen forest. Okay, the tropical evergreen forest are found in areas of heavy rainfall. It is because of high rainfall throughout the year, the vegetation here is very dense. Okay, and the trees in this forest remain green throughout the year and they do not shed their leaves, and this is the reason we call it as a tropical evergreen forest. Trees of this forest are as high as 40 to 60 meters. Due to thick growth, sun's rays do not reach the surface of the earth in this forest. They are hardwood forest and thus are not fit economically. Okay, and these evergreen forests are found in areas having temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and they are found in areas of having a rainfall above 200 centimeters. Okay, the trees like rosewood, ebony and mahogany are found here. The areas that cover are Western Ghats, northeastern parts of India, Andaman Nicobar Islands and West Bengal and Odisha. These are the regions where we can see the tropical evergreen forest. Okay, so now let's know about some of the main characteristic features of this evergreen forest. The first feature is they are found in the areas of heavy rainfall. Okay, so we call it as a rainforest. The second feature is the thick ground cover of forest is characterized by climbers and epiphytes. Okay, bamboo and ferns are also common in this forest. As they do not shed their leaves at the same time, so they remain evergreen throughout the year. So we call it as a tropical evergreen forest. Evergreen forests have not been properly exploited due to dense undergrowth and lack of transport facilities. So this is not economically used. Okay. Species that are found in this forest are rosewood tree, and its features are the characteristics are like these trees are very hard, fine grained and durable. They are used for making expensive furniture. They are found in parts of Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, and especially in the western side of the Western Ghats. The next is sesame. This tree is of very hard. It is used for making expensive furniture. The next type of forest is tropical deciduous forest. Let's see the characteristics of this type of forest. They are also called as monsoon forest. Okay, tropical deciduous forest or tropical monsoon forest. These trees shed their leaves. Okay, so these leaves shed their leaves. By April, May, the deciduous trees look almost bare. Okay, all the leaves will be shed. Forests of north temperate zone shed their leaves in autumn. These are most important economically as they yield valuable timber and several other forest products. So keep in mind, deciduous forest or the monsoon forest are most economically important because of their valuable timber and several other forest products. They are exploited economically for the different purposes. Okay. The trees of this forest provide useful wood and thus they are economically very high. The temperature required is 20 to 40 degree Celsius. Rainfall, they are found in areas having rainfall above 150 to 200 centimeters of rainfall. The trees that are very commonly found are teak, sesame, behil are found here. The area covered are the states where the deciduous monsoon forests are found. Okay, so deciduous forests are found in the belt running along the Western Ghats, surrounding the belt of evergreen forests, both on eastern and the western slopes. The second belt of deciduous forests run along the Shivalik Range and Chota Nagpur Plateau. These forests are found in the states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram, Assam and parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The species that are commonly found in the deciduous forest are sal, teak, palas, mango, neem, jackfruit, simiol, etc. So let's take the first one, teak. Teak is universally used for making furniture, construction of houses and shipbuilding. So construction of houses means they use this teak wood for making of windows, doors and so on. Okay. Seasoned teak wood can resist white ants, so it cannot be eaten by the ants, especially the white ants which eat the wooden materials. Teak wood doesn't erode or rust iron nails. It is found in the forest of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Orissa, Bihar and Tamil Nadu. The second one is sal. Salwood is very hard and resistible to white ants. It occurs in large pure stands. So sal trees will be in a pure stand. It is used for making railway sleepers and house buildings. It is found in the forests of the north and central part of India and also in the northeastern part of India. It occurs in the states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura and Assam. Okay, so questions can be asked like mention the uses of sal tree and in which forest does this tree found. Okay, so teak, like this any two names of the trees names will be given and will be asked to write the characteristic features. The area covered are the states where the deciduous monsoon forests are found. Okay, so deciduous forests are found in the belt running along the Western Ghats, surrounding the belt of evergreen forests, both on eastern and the western slopes. The second belt of deciduous forests run along the Shiva. The third type of vegetation is desert and semi-desert vegetation. The climatic condition required is it is found in the area of average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and with the rainfall of less than 25 centimeters. The areas or the states where this type of vegetations are found is in Kutch, Saurashtra, Southwest Punjab, Rajasthan and dry parts of the Deccan. The characteristic features of this type of vegetations are the plants that grow in this type of vegetation are called extrophytes, that is they either have very thin leaves or no leaves. Okay. Their stems and leaves are often covered by sharp spines. Spines means thorns. They have long roots to draw water as the rainfall is very scarce and thick fleshy stems to store water during drought. Okay. Some of the species, babul is the most important tree of this region. Kair tree yields strong, tough and hardwood used as a fuel for the local areas. Kair tree also yields gum and the bark, provides material for tanning hides and skins. The next type is a scrub and thorn forest. The climatic condition required is it is found in the areas of average temperature of 25 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius and rainfall of less than 100 centimeters. The states where this type of vegetation are found is in the northwest part of the country, Rajasthan, Western Haryana, Kutch and Western Punjab states. These type of trees are found in the northwest part of the country in Rajasthan, Western Haryana, Kutch and Western Punjab. Characteristics: the vegetation found here is low scrub and stunted trees. Shrubs with long roots and thorns are found. The species are it has long tapering roots, thorny branches and small fleshy leaves. Okay. The most common tree that are found in this type of vegetation is kair. It is very useful as timber. It provides material for making dyes for tanning. Wild dates are also very common in this type of vegetations. Children, go through the video carefully. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.